Luminestra here from Lumiastream. I am so excited to announce that Kick Streaming has made some changes that now allows us to create, update, and delete channel points within Lumiastream. This is going to be massive for a lot of our Kick streamers and save you guys a lot of time. In this video, I'm going to show you the updated way, fast and simple, on how to create your Kick channel points. The first step is to head over to your Kick dashboard. Go into your community tab, chat, and channel points. Simply make sure that those are enabled. Next, head over to Lumiastream, go to your connections, and make sure that your Kick is connected. Please ensure that the permissions are given to Lumiastream so we can access your channel points. Head over to commands and select Kick points. From here, you can create, update, and delete any channel point redemptions. For this example, let me just show you a basic light switch command. I'll head over to the light section. In my reaction section, I'm going to go ahead and pick red alert. Once you have your selected lights, go ahead and hit save. Once you're done choosing whichever redemption you want, go ahead and hit next step. This is when you're going to name your command and set how many channel points it's going to cost. The next step is choosing which user level you want access to these channel points. The fourth and final step allows for a lot of customization, such as if a user is required to put a message for the redemption, if there's a max amount of redemptions per stream, if you want to limit how many times one person can redeem it per stream, or if you want to add a global cooldown for this channel point redemption. From there, hit complete and save and refresh the program. And it's that simple. Head over to your Kick channel and you will have your redemptions available immediately. One of the coolest features that not enough people are talking about is that you can enable and disable your channel points on the fly. And you can even set it where you can either have out of stock showing for the ones that you disable or completely disappear from your channel point redemption. This way you can customize to the max. If you're playing different games, you can have different redemptions. It's a great way to step up your stream. If you head over to the Kick point settings, if you have enabled pause instead of disabling the reward, it will show out of stock. If you turn that off, the Kick channel point will completely disappear. And it's that simple. When they hit the redeem button, your lights, your alerts, your sounds, your overlay, whatever you choose is going to go ahead and play. If you're looking for some new and creative ideas for your Kick channel points, head over to our YouTube channel. There is a ton of tutorials available for you guys. You can also head over to our Discord channel in the community tab section where everybody shares their ideas. You can add jump scares, AI text-to-speech, ping pong machines, and there's so much more. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments below and make sure to subscribe to the channel.